My big sister made me a special calendar for October. Every day I got to choose a present wrapped up to open leading up to Halloween. Here is what I got. Orbeez pig. Slow rise unicorn. Orbeez pineapple. Snapper. Sensory slug. This popper. Tangle. Sensory stone and squashies. Sorry, I won't be showing any squashies in this video. Poppet spinner. This is a purple noodle. Texture stone. Mesh ball. Another texture stone. Pop tube. Cool ball that lights up and texture stone. Fidget worm ball. I will make a video of all the sensory stones I got in my next video. I got 3 of the same tangle. Infinity twist. Another one of these in a different color. I can't find what I got for the 26th. Atomic tangle, my favorite. I love everything my sister got me for October month. Thank you to my sister Jade.